If you are building a production application, you will likely need to integrate external services, such as databases, auth providers, and logging tools. Setting these up manually means creating accounts, navigating through dashboards, and copying credentials. Then wiring everything together yourself in your application. It works, but what if your coding agent could automatically discover and integrate these services for you? Well, this is not possible with the Vercel CLI and Marketplace. Let me show you. First, install or upgrade the Vercel CLI. Once you log in with Vercel, you won't need to authenticate separately with each provider. A single login gives both you and your agent access to all marketplace integrations. Then, to help your agent use the Vercel CLI, you can also install the available skill. Now that the CLI is set up, let's ask our agent what Vercel Marketplace integrations are available. Great! I have an idea for an app, so let's ask the agent to build it. Create a calendar app with Next.js, use Supabase for the database, Clerk for auth, and Stripe in sandbox mode for payments. And of course, make no mistakes. This will take a while, so let's fast forward. Okay, setup complete. Reading through the agent's output, we can see it provisioned each provider, pulled in the environment variables, and wired everything together. Navigating to the Vercel dashboard, we can see it created a new project, connected each service, and deployed the application, all in one go. In practice, you would do this in smaller steps, especially when working with an existing application. So let's ask the agent what else it can do. To summarize, you can add and remove integrations to a team, review, connect, and disconnect services to specific projects, check spending, set usage limits, build setup guides, and so much more. Now, you might be wondering, how does this work, and is it safe? The Vercel CLI exposes integrations through structured commands that agents can invoke. For example, when you ask your agent to list all the integrations in the marketplace, it runs the discover command. This returns structured JSON data that the agent can pass and reason about. When you ask the agent to install an integration, it runs the add command. If the integration requires additional metadata or it gets stuck, it can ask for help. Then pass the required fields like region explicitly. Once the integration is installed, the agent can retrieve setup instructions with the guide command. As you can see, the agent doesn't execute arbitrary code. It interacts with the Vercel CLI, which provides structured guardrails, limited command scope, built-in permissions, and environment variable management. For critical actions such as choosing a paid plan or accepting legal terms, the agent pauses and asks the human to complete the steps or redirects to the Vercel dashboard. Alright, that is the Vercel CLI and Marketplace, now part of your agentic workflow. Agents can scaffold and handle the integration setup while you make the important decisions, without leaving your terminal. Try it out today and give us your feedback.